Results. There's marketing and then there's strategic marketing, which yields results. At Thomas Beach Vacations, our professionally accredited award-winning marketing team obtains results for your rental through a marketing program that has been internationally recognized numerous times. Initiatives are strategic and targeted through a diverse plan of web, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, email, mobile advertising, billboards, direct mail, sponsorships, etc. Also, Thomas Beach Vacation owns and maintains 5 websites which generate vacation rental referrals. We annually produce and distribute over 250,000 vacation guides. Winter rentals are consistently promoted through participation in events such as Can-Am Days, chamber offers, etc. Plus, we partner and promote extensively with the North Myrtle Beach, and Little River Chambers of Commerce. Above all this, we have a professional, dedicated golf department which books thousands of golfers each year and increases your fall, winter, and spring rentals with off-season visitors. Thomas Beach Vacations offers a guest rewards program called the Thomas Vacation Club. This unique and differentiating program generates repeat business and customer loyalty. So there you have it, Thomas Beach Vacations, your first and only choice for a rental management partnership with bottom line results.